watching Aradhya Activities. Today's topic is how to make magic sand. So friends, for that we want salt, green color or any color you want, spoon and Colgate. Now here I take salt, then I will take Colgate some. Now I will mix it. See how it is. See how nice it is mixing. After that, after mixing it, we have to take color. Now we have to mix the color with the salt. See, slowly the color is mixing in the salt. See friends, after mixing the sand, see how beautiful it is looking. Now let's taste how it is to play. Now friends, let's taste how it is good to play. Wow, it's so soft. Wow, it is so soft. I love to play with this. And see, I have made also another sand. It is also soft. Wow, both are very nice. Wow, it's too nice to play with both. So friends, do you like my video? So please friends, like the video, subscribe to my